As you would know, it is quite important to have an exhaust fan in your bathroom to ensure proper ventilation inside your bathroom at all times. However, if you live in colder regions, you may also want to get a heater for your bathroom to avoid getting too cold. In such a case, you should consider getting something like one of the best bathroom exhaust fans with heater and light given down below thanks to features like these that they offer. Factors to consider: 1. Airflow rating. 2. Heating output. 3. Noise level. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 bathroom exhaust fans with heater and light currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Delta Breeze Radiance Exhaust Bath Fan. You should also consider Delta Breeze and its bathroom exhaust fan offerings, especially if you are on a tight budget, since it offers some of the best entry-level options out there. Delta Breeze's Radiance Bathroom Exhaust Fan is hands down the most affordable option given here. And unlike what you would expect from such an affordable unit, it has a decent airflow output of up to 80 CFM. That being said, you only get a heating output of up to 1,300 watts, leaving the user wanting more. However, this bathroom exhaust fan runs extremely silently due to its noise level of up to 32 decibels. It even supports decently powerful and practical 26-watt light bulbs. And despite being an entry-level brand of bathroom exhaust fans, you still get a 3-year warranty with it for excellent longevity. At number 2, Panasonic Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Panasonic is a mainstream brand of electric appliances that needs no introduction, since it offers all kinds of practical and high-performance products, including its bathroom exhaust fans. The Panasonic FV0511 VHL1 bathroom exhaust fan is much more powerful and versatile than others. For starters, you get an airflow rating of up to 110 CFM, which is as high as it gets. Not only that, but you also get a best-in-class heating output of up to 1,600 watts with this bathroom exhaust fan. Unfortunately, Panasonic falls a bit behind in terms of the lighting performance by including a 10-watt bulb inside the box. Thankfully, it does make up for the same by offering an exceptional noise level of up to 34 decibels. You even get a 3-year-long warranty period with this bathroom exhaust fan, which is to be expected from something this premium. At number 3, Flying Fox Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Flying Fox introduces a multifunctional bathroom exhaust fan, perfect for spaces up to 100 square feet. This contemporary white fan, operating at a quiet 160 CFM, efficiently enhances air circulation and controls air quality. It features a 2,300 watt heater for effective room heating and bright LED lighting for clear visibility. Designed for easy installation, it comes with a 12.5 x 12.5 adapter frame and offers convenient remote control pairing. While it has a single motor that doesn't allow simultaneous heating and air circulation, its PTC ceramic heating technology ensures rapid warming and efficient heat conversion, making it a versatile addition to any bathroom. Now number 4, Braun NuTone Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Braun NuTone is one of the most popular brands of exhaust fans out there, since most of its offerings are known to offer great performance numbers without charging a premium for the same. The Braun NuTone 9093WH Bathroom Exhaust Fan is a great value for money option if you want something well built. Starting with its performance numbers, this bathroom exhaust fan features an airflow rating of up to 70 CFM. While that may not be the highest, you do get an amazing heating output of up to 1,500 watts from it. Another great thing about this bathroom exhaust fan is that it works with up to 100 watt bulbs, which should be plenty for most. And while it won't break any records, the given noise level of up to 46 dB is certainly manageable. Last but not least, you also get a 1-year warranty with this bathroom exhaust fan, which is always great to have. Now our last product is Braun NuTone QT9093WH Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Braun NuTone also offers slightly higher end and premium bathroom exhaust fan models that can be a great option if you want something powerful and high-end. This Braun NuTone QT9093WH bathroom exhaust fan is the perfect option if you do not have any budget restrictions. As this is a high-end bathroom exhaust fan, it also has a high-end airflow rating of up to 110 CFM. It even features a heating output of up to 1,500 watts, which is on par with the previous Braun NuTone bathroom exhaust fan given up above. To ensure that you can get the most out of this bathroom exhaust fan, Brone New Tone even offers support for up to 100-watt bulbs with this exhaust fan. However, you get a fairly high noise level rating of up to 48 decibels, which might be an issue for some. Fortunately, you won't have any issues with the reliability of this exhaust fan since it does offer a 1-year-long warranty period. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.